And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Kind of a pale hazy sky today due to some wildfire smoke, but there's a lot more upstream. This is tomorrow evening, and you can see more smoke coming into our area. This is smoke that's thousands of feet up, not near the ground. This is really dense from Minnesota all the way back to Montana, and a lot of this smoke is tied to a couple really big fires out west, but also Canada. There are massive fires burning with a major drought and major heat up in western Canada, and all the smoke is pouring our way. You can see the orange here getting ever closer. This is Wednesday morning at 10. You can see some really thick smoke up here approaching from the northwest. And then we look at smoke near the surface. This is smoke that affects air quality. Watch these little darker blue colors as they start to encroach on the area with time. We look to, now this is Wednesday evening, and you can see some of the thicker smoke starting to mix down. So our air quality will start to go downhill, and then if that wasn't enough, we've got these really significant Saharan dust storms, and this is very thick dust, just waves of it. There's another one out here. Here's another. And then we've got this one pushing away, and then there's another piece here. So this Saharan dust should make it in here around late next Sunday, this upcoming Sunday, and that earlier that following week. And then another plume comes up from the southwest, and this could be some really thick dust that comes in. It may even put a film on your car, and just between the smoke and the dust, our air quality will be going downhill in a big way in the coming 1 to 2 weeks, and it may stay that way for a little while too. And a lot of times you get this layer of dust and smoke, and it can prevent rainfall. It can cap things, and you just don't get much rain at all. And this looks like a pretty dry pattern anyway. Patchy fog though later tonight and early tomorrow morning. Some of that could be dense in places. We're down to 64, but it's 85 tomorrow. Humid tomorrow too. Nothing more than an isolated shower, thunder shower with some of that smoky haze coming in. There are your highs at 84 to 89, but it's going to feel like about 86 to 94. So a little bit hotter tomorrow still, a little bit hotter on Wednesday. A few scattered storms possible, about 35% coverage mid-afternoon to evening with smoky haze. And a high up to 86. 86 Lafayette, 88 Attica, and your heat indices upper 80s to as high as about 97. There's Futurecast. Again, maybe an isolated small shower this evening. That is it. A little fog around tomorrow morning, some dense. The clouds bubble up tomorrow afternoon. Nothing more than a very small isolated shower. And then we look at Wednesday. Watch the clock here. This is near noon, and then we bubble up a few scattered storms around. Again, the smoke may impact just how much coverage we have, but there'll be a few around here and there. And then beyond that, we've got just the smoke, the dust, and the hot upper ridge taking over. Isolated morning shower Thursday, 83, but less humid Thursday. But the humidity creeps back up for the weekend, and it gets hot. We're up to 92 on Monday, in the 90s next week. We may get clipped by a round of storms well north of our area by next Thursday.